blood coagulation. Before we start the topic blood coagulation, let us take a glance of components of the blood. Red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets collectively constitute 45% of blood. Rest 55% of blood contains plasma. Fibrinogens are needed for clotting or coagulation of blood. Our body contains a natural process to stop bleeding from minor cuts in a matter of several minutes. When a small artery is cut, the collagen fibers in its tissue are exposed, which signals the clotting process to begin. As platelets begin to adhere to the cut edges, they release chemicals to attract even more platelets. Eventually, a platelet plug is formed and the external bleeding stops. Platelets attach to fibrinogen. The immobilized fibrinogen attracts the factor of blood coagulation. The factors of blood coagulation transform the fibrinogen in polymers of fibrin. Thrombokinase is an enzyme complex that is required for this reaction. This complex is formed by a series of linked enzymic reactions, cascade process, involving a number of factors present in the plasma in an inactive state. After the formation of fibrins, molecules of plasmins start to get attracted to fibrin net. Later on, these molecules destroy the fibrin net. The fibrinolytic degradation products are phagocyted by macrophages and eosinophils, and the normal blood flow is restored.